Hi everyone, welcome back to Saheb Academy. Today in this 11th video of service costing chapter, we are going to solve our 10th problem, and the question is from ICAI study material illustration 10, okay, BHG Toll Plaza. So this question is based on what? Toll roads, yeah, Toll Plaza also you can say. So you have to understand little bit concept about the toll roads, then only you will be able to understand how to solve this question, okay. So let's just understand the concept of this first. Now see, here we have the concept of toll roads. Let's understand the concept of this. See, what happens over here is whenever you travel, you must have seen that there will be big toll plazas from which we pass, right? We pay the money, only then the boom barrier opens and then we can pass through the toll plaza, right? And we can use the road normally. So now, why are we paying the money over there? Yeah, you must have seen when we go over there, automatically the money deducts from our FASTag account. Yes, we pay the money because we are using the road. Yeah, we are using the infrastructure. That's why we are paying the money. Now, how does that infrastructure is built and who maintains it? That's the story of toll roads. See, government gives a right to the contracting company for a certain period of time. What kind of right? The right is to design, finance and build the roads, okay, right? They have built the road. Then how are they going to get the money? This contracting company is a private company. Yeah, they have built a road. Now how they are going to get the money? Will government pay them? No, government will not pay them. Government is saying you collect the money from the public, whoever will use your road, build plazas over there, and then do not let them pass until and unless they pay you the money. Government says this to contracting company. That's how they collect money from us, through FASTag. You have seen that, right? Yes. And then the road will also get damaged because we are using it, right? The public is using it. So of course the roads will get damaged. There will be holes happening because of monsoon also. So now who will take care of that? The maintenance of the road, the contracting company only. Yeah, they are responsible for it. So they have to maintain it as well. And then they have to operate this whole thing. They have to collect the money properly. That's called operating the toll plazas, right? So that's what, right? Design, finance, construct, yeah, build, and then what? Operate it. Yes, collect the money and everything, the plazas, and then what? Maintain also. And then at last, after the agreed time, yeah, this is for a certain period of time, not for what? Perpetuity, no, for a certain period of time, 15 years, 10 years, 20 years, then after that, the right will get what? Expired. Is that clear? Again, they will have to do the agreement with the government like that. Is it clear? So see here, to construct and maintain a road and collect money from the vehicles which are passing through that highway for a certain period of time. Example, 10 years. Is that clear? Okay. Now, the contracting company will have mainly three types of costs involved, okay, regarding the toll plaza and the roads. What are those three costs? See here, capital cost, operating cost and maintenance cost. As I said, maintenance cost means they have to repair the roads. Yeah, for that whatever cost is incurred, that's called maintenance cost. And then operating cost means they have to operate the plazas. No, they will have so many plazas. If you will travel every 60 or 70 kilometers, they will have plazas from where they will collect the money. It's like that, right? So salary of the persons involved, there will be electricity running in that plaza. Yeah, the FASTag, everything is operating now. Automatically the barrier is being opened. So for all that, electricity is involved. So electricity cost will be there. Many other costs will be there. Fine. Okay. Then capital cost. Capital cost means the main cost to construct the roads, right? And the plazas. Is that clear? That's called the capital cost in the beginning for construction. Fine. These are the three main costs involved regarding the toll roads. Okay. So while doing the operating cost sheet over here also, what you will do? You will do the categorization. It's not necessary. You can also take it line by line or do categorization. Both are okay. Now this, technique where government gives a right to the contracting company to build some infrastructure, operate it, finance it, and then after the period, give it back to us. This approach, this technique is called as what? It's called as build, operate, transfer approach, BOT approach. Okay, that's what happened now. After 10 years, the road and everything goes back to the government only. Fine. Okay, fine. Then see here, contracting company wants to know cost incurred per vehicle so that they can add profit and calculate the toll rate to be charged for each vehicle. Isn't it? Yes. The contracting company wants to know now, yes, how much to charge from each vehicle. So they have to do that. How they will do that? They will take their total cost as usual only. They will take their total cost, they will add the desired profit, and they will divide by the denominator. Here what will be the denominator? Here the denominator will be per vehicle. Okay, total number of vehicles. Is that clear? Some vehicles will be exempted, fine. So only what chargeable vehicles, not all vehicles, some vehicles are exempted, like defense, government vehicles, ambulance, two-wheelers, some vehicles are exempted. So only chargeable vehicles. Is that clear? So see here the formula. Toll rate. Toll rate means price per vehicle. It's a selling price, like that. Okay. Total cost plus profit, which means total revenue divided by total number of vehicles. That is what we are going to do. Okay. So see here the cost unit is per vehicle. Fine. Because the toll plaza, they are getting money by what? By each vehicle, no? So that's their cost unit. Is that clear? Okay. And then the question also asks us cost per kilometer. Now this is not like a transportation industry. Okay, see here, cost per kilometer means what? Cost per kilometers means to build the road per kilometer, what is the cost? Yeah, that's what we calculate over here. So for this also, what do? We take total cost, not total revenue, total cost divided by total kilometer. Let's just say in a question they have said, in the question we have a road of, let's just say 100 kilometers. So whatever the total cost is, we'll take that 1 crore divide by 100 kilometer, like that. Is that clear? Simply you have to find out what is the cost of building 1 kilometer of the road. Is that clear? That's what we are trying to find out. In passenger industry, what was there in the bus questions? How much does it cost to take one passenger 1 kilometer? That is completely different thing, and this is different. This cost per kilometer means how much does it cost to build 1 kilometer of the road. Is that clear? Okay, so you understood the concept. Now let's just go to the question and just solve the question now. Now see here we have the question, illustration 10 from the ICAI study material. Let's just read. BHG Toll Plaza Limited built a 60 kilometer long highway, okay, and now operates a toll plaza to collect tolls from passing vehicles using the highway. Yes, we know that. Yeah, that's what the toll companies they do, right? They will build the highway, and then whoever is using that highway, they will collect money from them. That's called toll, right? Yes, the company has estimated that a total of 12 crore vehicles, only single type of vehicle, okay, that's fine, will be using the highway during the 10 years toll collection tenure. So in the entire period, in the entire 10 years, they are saying 12 crore vehicles will be passing from that plaza. Is that clear? Okay, fine. Then they are saying toll operating and maintenance cost for the month of April are as follows. So here they are giving you the data regarding the cost only for the month. Monthly data is given. So that means we'll do the calculation also on monthly basis. Is it clear? Okay. If anything yearly is available, then what you have to do? You have to convert that into month. We can easily do that. Don't worry. Then see first, salary to collection personnel. Whoever those people are there now at the toll plaza who will collect the money, they are called collection personnel. 3 shifts and 4 persons per shift. They are saying in a day there are 3 shifts. And for each shift, 4 persons are required. 4, 4, 4, like that. Yes. And then they are saying 550 per day per person. That's the rate. Okay. Daily wage, you can say. Daily wage rate. Yes. Yeah. So you have to do the calculation now, isn't it? But understand, this is just for a day. What you have to do, you have to calculate for month. In a month, they have not said how many days, right? They have just said April. So for April, how many days? 30 days. Yes, so let's just calculate. See here, 3 shifts into 4 persons into 550 is the rate per day into 30. You have to remember this, into 30 you will have to do. That is equal to 1,98,000. This is the salary cost to collection personnel, of collection personnel only. Is it clear? Yes. So you will just multiply this, this and this, right? These 3 things. And then at last you have to do into 30 days. Is it clear? Right? Yes. Now the same thing you have to do over for the supervisor also. 2 shifts, 1 person, 2 into 1 into 750 and then into 30. Here also 3 shift, 6 person, yeah, security personnel they are saying, 450 per day, again the same 30 days. Okay, is it clear? Then toll booth manager, 2 shifts, 1 person, right, 900 per day into 30. Is it clear? Simple and straightforward. This is what you have to do. You will get the salary cost to supervisor, to security personnel, to toll booth managers, right? Simple. And this comes under what? This comes under operating cost. Yeah, yes. And then electricity. Okay, fine. Now electricity is already for month. Yeah, they have said at the top, month of April. Yeah, this is for month of April. 8 lakh directly you will take. Telephone also directly you will take. Maintenance cost 30 lakh. This also directly you will take. Maintenance cost is of a month. Maintenance cost means the cost of repairing the road. Fine, maintaining the road. Okay. Then at last what they have said, see, monthly depreciation and amortization expenses will be 1.5 crore. What is this? Depreciation and amortization expense. Where it will come? See, understand, they have built a highway, right? They have built a highway. So a very huge cost was incurred at the beginning. Is that entire cost, will be taken in the month of April? No, it's not like that. You have to understand, whenever company, incurs a huge expenditure, that's called capital expenditure. It is an asset of the company, that road. Yes, but that road immediately will not come in the, in the profit and loss. The entire thing will not be treated as what cost. No, what you have to do, you have to depreciate it. Yeah, only the depreciation of the April will be treated as the cost of April. Okay, so we'll take the depreciation and amortization. Fine, and that is 1.5 crore. So this 1.5 crore will entirely take it. Actually, the cost of building the road is very high. This is just the depreciation. Is that clear? Right? So this is the capital cost. This is the capital cost. Did you understand? How is it capital cost? Capital cost was very huge actually. Only for the April, what is the cost? The depreciation of April. That's what we are taking. That's the capital cost. Okay. Then see, this company is saying further the company needs 25% profit over total cost. Okay, 25% of cost is profit. Okay, to cover interest and other cost. All right, that's fine. Then see, they are saying calculate cost per kilometer per month. You see, the question is asking what? The question is asking this: how much does it cost us to build the road per kilometer? Fine. So we'll take the total cost from the operating cost sheet and we'll divide by what? Total kilometer. What is total kilometer? Just this 60. This is not the passenger that industry, transport industry. No, this is toll roads. Here directly you will take this single thing, 60 kilometer. Is it clear? Okay. Then they are asking calculate the toll rate per vehicle. Toll rate per vehicles, this formula. Total revenue you will take, total cost plus profit, and you will divide by total number of vehicles. And both the denominator and the numerator should be of the same level. Total cost and profit we are calculating for the month of April. Denominator should also be of the month, right? But do we have denominator of the month? No, we do not have. What is the denominator? Denominator is this total number of vehicles. They have given us total number of vehicles as 12 crore. 12 crore, and this is for 10 years. So what we have to do? We have to take 12 crore. Isn't it? Is this 12 crore? Yeah, 12 crore, right? So 12 crore, and then first what you will do, you will divide by 10 years. Okay, and then you will divide by 12 months also. You have to understand this. This is for the 10 years. If you divide by 10 years, then you will get what? Vehicles per year. If you divide by then 12 months, then only you will get vehicles per month. So that is equal to how much? That is equal to 10 lakhs. You see, 10 lakhs vehicles will pass in a single month. That's our estimation. Fine. So that's the denominator you will use. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's just see the solution. When we'll see the solution, you will understand the whole thing. Let's just go to the solution now. Now see, here we have the solution. First, we'll do the operating cost sheet, particulars and cost column. Okay. This question we are solving as per the month of April. So cost per month. Is it clear? Okay, so what did we have in the question first? First they told us about the salary. So first let's start with the category of operating cost. We all know now, in the concept of toll plaza, in the toll roads, we categorize the cost into three: capital cost, operating cost, maintenance cost, right? So let's start with the operating cost first. There is no format and all, okay? Whatever you want you can do, don't worry about that. You don't want to categorize, don't categorize, just take line by line, fine, don't miss anything. That's the most important thing. But now I'm doing the categorization. I'm starting with the operating cost, fine. So see, salary they have said, collection personnel, I told you now how to calculate: 3 into 4 into 550 into 30. Okay, that's what you have to do. See, salary to collection personnel, 3 into 4 into 550 into 30, that's equal to 1,98,000. Is it clear? Then same you have to do with everyone: supervisor, security personnel, toll booth manager, the same way. 2 shifts into 1 into 750 into 30, right? For monthly we are calculating salary to supervisor, see, 2 into 1 into 750 into 30, right? That's 45,000. Salary to security personnel, 3 into 6 into 450 into 30, yeah, 2,43,000. Then salary to toll booth manager, okay, not toll booth manager, it's toll booth manager. Okay, 2 into 1 into 900 into 30, 2 into 1 into 900 into 30, that's 54,000. Is that clear? We have taken all salaries, fine. Then electricity, this is already per month 8 lakh, directly you can copy paste electricity 8 lakh. Then we have telephone, the same case, 1,40,000, see here, okay. Then we have what? Maintenance cost, right? So maintenance cost is how much? 30 lakh they have said, it's for the month only. Under that same heading it is given now. So now total operating cost is how much? 14,80,000. Then maintenance cost, another category, yeah, only directly they have given 30 lakh, so we can take it, total maintenance cost also 30 lakh, simple. Then capital cost, I told you now depreciation is a capital cost, okay. So see here, depreciation and amortization expenses, 1 crore 50 lakhs they said, isn't it? See here, 1.5 crore, so that's 1 crore 50 lakhs, okay. And then what? Total capital cost, the same thing. Then if you add A plus B plus C, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000. That is your total cost. Is this clear? Simple and straightforward. This is how you have to do it, right? Really simple. There is nothing over here. Then what is the requirement of this question? This was not the requirement, but we need it for the requirement. The requirement was cost per kilometer. Take the total cost, divide by kilometer, simple. Kilometer they have said 60, just divides, you know, this by 60, that's all. See here, cost per kilometer per month. Yeah, you will take the total cost, yeah, the total cost is 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000 divided by 60, that is equal to how much? 3,24,666.67. okay, 2 decimals to 3 decimals to 4 decimals you can take. Is it clear? Yes, simple. Then what? Then they have asked calculate the, now what is the interpretation of this? The interpretation is, this is the cost to build 1 kilometer of the road. Is that clear? Simple. Now calculate the toll rate per vehicle. How you will take toll rate? For toll rate you need to do cost plus profit and then divide by what? The denominator. What was the denominator in this industry? Total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles we calculated now. Yeah, they said total number of vehicles is 12 crores. 12 crores means 120 million. Yes, 12 crores they said. But now this is for entire 10 years. So we had to divide by 10 years and then divide by 12 months. We got monthly how much? 10 lakhs. Isn't it? Yes. Yeah, shall we do that again? See, 12 crores. Yes, 7 zeros now. Yes, 12 crores divide by what? Divide by 10, divide by 12. Okay, that is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the number of vehicles that will pass in the month of April. Yeah, on a month. So see, toll rate per vehicle, total cost plus 25% profit is there. No, so profit they have said it is on cost, 25% on cost. Yes, so the cost is how much? The cost is 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000. 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000 into 0.25, that is equal to how much? 48 lakh 70,000. Can you see that? So 48 lakh 70,000 will be our profit. This is your profit, 25% on cost. So you will add those two and you will divide by, you know, 10 lakh vehicles as we calculated. Okay, so that is equal to how much? Yeah, if we do that, see here, let's just do that. 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000 plus 4870, yeah, that is equal to how much? 2 crore 43 lakh 50,000 divide by 10 lakhs, yeah, that's equal to 24.35. you see, 24.35 is what? This is the toll rate per vehicle. For each vehicle, this much we have to charge. Is it clear? Simple and straightforward. Okay, this was the whole concept and everything. Really simple and straightforward. Now there was a small working note over here for calculation of this. Yeah, if you want to see that, see, 12 crore divide by 10 divide by 12 you can do. If I want to write in multiplication, then into 1 by 10 into 1 by 12. Yes, so that's 10 lakh vehicles. Is it clear? Simple and straightforward. I showed you directly in the calculator. Yes. So first requirement done, second requirement done, and this is the operating cost sheet. I hope you have understood. This is really simple and straightforward. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.